Good morning, students. This is your EVS class, and we were doing chapter 7, the food we eat. We have covered the topics, types of food, energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Now, the next topic is raw and cooked food. But before that, there is something given in the red box. It is written over there, 72% of our body is made up of water. All the food we eat contains some quantity of water. Our body also requires 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. This helps in good digestion and absorption of the nutrients of our food. So children, our body is made up of 72% water. That means what else is there in our body? There are bones, muscles, and there are 72% of the body is water also. So we can understand that more than half of the body is made up of water. So water is the very important or very essential nutrient for our body. Therefore, we eat several foods which contains lot of water. Example, cucumber. We eat cucumber in summers, in winters, in every season. Why? Because cucumber has around it is given over here 96% of water. Cucumber has 96% of water, means a lot amount of water is found in cucumber. Another example can be radish, carrot, and many other vegetables. So we eat these food raw. Raw means kacha. Why do we eat the food raw? This is in the next topic, raw and cooked food. Now we will come to the next topic. I will read. Fruits and vegetables like carrot, radish, cucumber are eaten raw as salad. Cooking makes food tasty, easy to chew, and easy to digest. Heat also kills germs in the food. There are two things over here, raw food and cooked food. Some of the students have asked me, sir, what are raw foods and cooked foods and what are the benefits? So children, I will tell you all that raw food are the food which we eat without cooking, and cooked food are the food which we eat after cooking on the fire or in the oven or okay. So what are why do we eat raw food? We eat raw food because as I have told you earlier, it contains lot of water. If we cook that food, the water will disappear. Okay, so if there is no water, then what is the use of eating that raw food? है ना? We are eating that food just to have lot of water. So we don't boil it or cook it, we eat it raw. And on the other hand, cooked food. Cooked food means we are cooking on the fire so as it becomes tasty. Some food we cannot eat raw, like can you eat rice? Can you eat wheat? Can you eat some vegetables raw? It is not easy to eat because they are very hard. You cannot chew them properly. So when we cook them, it becomes soft, and we add salt to it, which also makes it tastier. Why we add salt to it? Because salt makes the food tasty and also makes the food softer. And also salt is also necessary for our body, as it is a very essential minerals or the nutrient that should be present in the food. Therefore we cook the food, and also there is one more point why we cook the food. While cooking, it also kills germs in the food. There are microorganisms or small germs present in the food. So before cooking, we wash the food and then cook it, and after cooking, the leftover germs in the food get also killed. So these are the points why we cook the food. Now next is healthy eating habits. Number 1, wash your hands before and after having your meals. Why do we wash our hands? Because in our hands or below our nails, we have nails on every finger. So below our nails, there are small microorganisms or bacteria present over there. So we wash our hands properly so that there is no germs left in our hand. Otherwise, those germs will go to our mouth with the help of those fingers. When we eat with the hand goes into our mouth, and we can consume that germs inside our body, and our stomach will pain. So we should always wash our hands before eating and after eating. Number 2, do not eat food from outside, as it may be exposed to flies which may cause diseases. Flies, you have seen many mosquitoes, you have seen flying all over around the area outside. So somewhere you have seen some vendors are selling food items over their stalls, and you have seen some flies are sitting on that food. So those flies are having germs in their feet. So when they sit on the food, those germs get on the food, and when we purchase that food and eat it, those germs enter our body in our stomach, and we feel pain in our stomach or get sick. So that is why we don't eat food from outside. Number 3, wash fruits and vegetables before using them. Yes, when we go to market and purchase fruits and vegetables for eating, we bring them back to home. Then what we do? We should firstly clean them with fresh water and keep them in proper place, like in refrigerator, so that there are no germs left on the fruits and vegetables. And why we wash them? Because when we purchase it from outside, they are kept open in the air, and all germs are present on the fruits and vegetables. So before cooking it, we should wash them properly. So children, this ends up your chapter 7, the food we eat, and we have discussed types of food. There are three types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding, protective. Then what are types of food that sorry, we have learned raw and cooked food. Then healthy eating habits. So children, is if there is any problem with any of the topic, you can ask me. Now there is something given over here, things to remember. Food gives us energy, help us to grow and keep us healthy and strong. Food can be divided into three groups. I have already told you we should drink ample amount of water because our body is made up of 72% water. Therefore, we need lot of water. Some food items are eaten raw. They also make us healthy. I told you why we eat raw food, because raw food contains lot of water. If we cook it, the water will disappear. Then we should follow healthy eating habits. I have already told you why we should follow healthy eating habits: to protect ourselves and our body from getting several type of diseases. So there is a exercise given at the last, A, B, C, D. Exercise A, exercise A is tick the correct answer, B is name the following, C is circle out the odd one out, answer, and exercise D is question answers. We will do this exercise in the next session. I will post you the details of this exercise afterwards. Till then, there is one homework. You have to draw the pictures. Listen everyone carefully. The homework is you have to draw the pictures of at least three items or in every types of food. Like energy giving food, you have to draw three pictures. Bodybuilding food, you have to draw three pictures. And protective food, you have to draw three pictures. Like first you can draw any fruits. Second, you can draw vegetables, spinach, okay, cauliflower, okay. And third, you can draw broccoli. Broccoli is also a vegetable. It is very nutritious. So you can draw any three pictures from the book, and you will draw these pictures on the plain page, plain side. One side is line, there you will write the question answers, and on the left side there is blank page. You will draw these three pictures, 3 3 3. The first top row you will draw energy giving food, then second bodybuilding food, then at the below you will draw protective food. Okay children, thank you.